All right, so welcome, wonderful people. So today we are going to create Mother's Day flyer with AI. And the AI tool we are going to use is Pink. So this Pink, you click on Pink to open. Now you be sure you come to Image Creator with DALL-E 3. Click on it. Now here we are going to create our text so that it will generate our image for us. So let's write create Mother's Day flyer with the caption good mother. Right, so we generate or we create. Click on the create. So we need a few seconds to just generate your work for you. Perfect. Now you make sure you pick any of them that you want. So if you want this, you can just pick it. If you want this too, that's nice. You click on it or you hold on your screen then to you download the image. You download the image. You like this one, so you hold it, download image and download it. Alright, so any of them that you want, can just pick any of them. Then you download. Now you realize that some of the tests are not readable, so you are going to send it to Photoshop to edit it. You can generate more, go back. Then let's just write create Mother's Day flyer, just that, and let's see what's happened. So you can just play with it, create. So in this AI tool, you just have 15 attempts every day. So you can see that I have remaining 9 attempts there. Great. So let's see how. Wow, I love this. This is perfect. So with the test there, some of them you can't read them. So we just have to go to Photoshop to edit. So we're going to pick some of them and send it to Photoshop to edit it. So we just imported our image in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pick the zoom tool. You zoom it. You realize that this text here is not readable. So you're going to change it. Then put our own text, or can we leave it like that? So what you are going to do is that we come to the patch tool. So click on the patch tool. So we just highlight it. So let's pick them one by one. Highlight the upper text. Then you drag it to any area on the image that is white. Then you leave it there. Then we come here to do the same thing. There's a spot there, you have to remove it. Then leave it here. Perfect. Control D to deselect. So you can write your own text there. So let's write something. Pick the text tool. Then you pick a color. Let's use this one from the image. So this font is Cheesy Nights. So let's write mothers are the best gifts. From the best gifts It's okay. And these are the best gifts. Let's space them a little bit. Come to the properties. Space them a little. Reduce the size. Shift it or twist it a little bit. Click OK. I zoom out. So you can still play with it and make it more lively. I change the color, adding saturation and all that. So let's come to image, adjustment levels. So we can deepen it a little bit and then brighten it as well. You can also go to hue saturation, change the color scheme to any color that you want. So as you drag, you realize that the colors will be changing. So if you think you're okay with this, you just click OK. So thanks for watching. This is Jason Lapa. Subscribe and be blessed. I'm out.